So I'm making dal, which is a kind of soup, but you can eat it with rice. Like so it's kind of a soup, kind of a stew. I don't really know what to call it, but in Punjabi language or in India, it's called dal, D-A-L. So that's what I'm making. And so the first thing that you have to do is, so you have to chop up onion and garlic and saute that until it's brown. So that's what I'm going to do. Onion, garlic. If you want, you can add some red chili peppers. Aglio peperoncino. So I'm going to add some of this aglio peperoncino, which is, aglio means garlic, peperoncino means pepper. So this is red chili peppers. And so I'm going to add that into it as well. Just like half a teaspoon. It depends on how spicy you like your food to be, but you don't need to use this. Okay, so I'm sauteing that with olive oil. Oops. So I'm sauteing that with olive oil, and so just keep doing that until it's brown. So these are the kinds of lentils that I'm using. It is the kind of lentils that you can very easily find in Italy, but these are not the kinds that I prefer to use. I prefer to use the one that's orange in color. And it's called lenticchie rosso in Italiano, but it's flatter lentils and orange in color, and there's also a kind that's yellow in color and flatter. These are round lentils, and they are brown in color, but yeah, and kind of greenish too. But yeah, these I'm using these just because they're easily available, and I just found them. So, but if you can find the red ones, those are the best. Well, they're orange in color, but they're called red lentils, at least in Italy. Okay, I'm gonna cook it a bit more, and then I'm gonna add water. Okay, I added 2 liters of water and the entire bag, which was 1 kilogram of the lentils. And so now I'm just going to cover it. Just put that there. I'm gonna cover it. I have a lid like this, okay, right? And boil it. And I watch the consistency of the lentils. So if it's too thick, I just add more water. If it's too thin, then I uncover it and let it boil so that the water evaporates. And I have the fan on, so you know the smoke and stuff, the evaporation goes away. Freyja, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Oh yeah. These type of lentils are taking so long. I've been boiling this for 1 hour now, and it's like that, and I still need to boil it some more. But anyways, I'm gonna add some salt, a good amount, about a tablespoon, but add to taste, so you need to taste it. This one's ready. I just packed this one for a friend so that they have some dal, and that's what it looks like when it's ready. And yeah, so you can eat it with rice, or you can eat it like that as a soup, or you can even eat it with bread.